Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through the intro of calculus. What we're basically going to be doing is just like differentiating and simplifying. So let's get started. So give me a second while I share my screen and pull it up. Okay, now that I'm sharing my screen, I'm going to get a simple equation out that it's very easy for us to solve, and it might be hard first when you're looking at it, but trust me guys, it's going to be very easy once you keep like going through it every single day. You're going to understand it. So first, let me write it out. Give me a second while I write the first question. So if they give us like y equals e and then bar -4 and cos 6. Oh, that was a mistake. And give us 6x. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first have to differentiate this right here, because we see that it's 2x, so that means it's gonna be like a product rule, kind of a product. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna differentiate exponential with bar -x, -4x. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna first write -4x raised to power -4 raised to power -4. That's how we differentiate the first one. So now that we're done differentiating the first one, what we're gonna do is just write this down. So it's gonna be cos 6x. Now that is cos 6x, we're done differentiating the first one. So now we have to do is add a plus, because we know that's going to be our product rule. So now that we add a plus, we're going to write this down. Since we already differentiated, we don't have to differentiate anymore. We're just going to write it down. So it's going to be exponential raised by -4x. And then now what we have to do is differentiate this right here. And to differentiate this is going to be super easy to differentiate this right here. So what we're gonna write is, it's gonna be super easy. It's gonna be -6 sine 6x. So -6 sine 6x. That's super easy, guys. So now we're done, but all we have to do is just like, simplify. So now that we have to simplify, it's going to be -4 exponential raised to power -4x cos 6x cos 6x, and then plus, we're going to write this first. It's going to be -6 sine 6x, and then we're going to write our exponential is going to be e. It's going to e raised to power -4x. That's how I did the first one, guys. So that's how we're already done right here. This is our final answer. So far it's looking easy. Now we're going to move on to the next question that you might get asked. Give me a second while I clean this whiteboard up. Okay, guys, so now that we're done, now that we're finished out, we're gonna do the second question. And the second question is y equals, and then our this is gonna be our square root, and then it's gonna be 3 outside, and then x raised to power 9, and then lean sine x. That's our second question, guys. Now that we have lean, it's gonna be kind of like the same one, because we have 2x, meaning that it's gonna be a product dual form. So let's do this, guys. This is super easy. Just like before, what we have to do is differentiate this before we write it down. So when we differentiate this, we're gonna get, this is how you differentiate something like this. First, what you have to do is you're gonna take the 3 to over here, which is gonna be x9 over 3. That's differentiating it. Don't forget that we have to differentiate it to the simplest form. So we're going to bring 9 down here, 9 over 3 down here. So it's going to be 9 over 3 x. And then to differentiate this, we have to -1. It's going to be -1. So let's do it over here. 9 divided by 3, 1 1, and then we already know it's going to be a 3 over here, it's going to be a 9, it's going to be a negative 9, and then we're going to do 9 minus 3, which is going to be it's going to be super easy. That's going to be a 6 over 3, and we have to divide this, and when we divide it, we get 2. So we're going to put 2 up here. Just like that, we're done differentiating that. Now, just like the other one that we did before, we're going to write lean down without differentiating it yet. It's going to be lean sine x plus, because it's a product rule, now we have to write this without it being differentiated yet. So it's going to be a 3 over here. Where we have a 3 over here, we're going to write our square root, and it's going to be x raised to the power 9. Now that we have that, now all we have to do is differentiate lean sine x. This is super easy, guys. All we have to do is write, all we have to do is we're going to put it in our dividing form, and we have to write sine first. It's going to be the denominator, so it's going to be sine x, and we have to differentiate sine x, which is going to be cos x. So now over here is going to be cos x, and then sine x over it. Guys, this is the final answer. It's just like that. It's super, super easy. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I hope you're learning, and we're going to get to the last question, which is the easiest. Trust me, guys, it might look difficult, but if you guys keep watching this video and you keep like going over it every single day, you will understand it. So now I'm going to write the last question down. Feel free to pause the video if you need to, understand what I just, some of the questions I was answering the other time. Okay, so the last question over here is y equals exponential raised to the power 5x sine 6x. Guys, we're going to do exactly what we did for the other equations that we've done before, that we've differentiated. Okay, so first, as we've been doing before, we're going to differentiate this over here. Now, we're differentiating exponential x raised to the power exponential raised to the power 5x is super easy. We just have to bring the 5 down, and then the e, and then I'm going to write exactly what we had there before, and I'm going to write our sine 6x, and since it's product rule, that's because we have 2x, it's a product rule, so we're going to add, going to put a plus, and when we put a plus, we're going to write this down without differentiating it. And then now we're going to differentiate sine 6x. Super easy, guys. Differentiating sine 6x, just like what we've done other time, it's like the easiest. What we have to do is just put 6, differentiate sine, which is going to be cos, and then it's going to be 6x. Going to be 6x. Let me rewrite that for you over here. 5 exponential x sine 6x plus e raised to the power 5x, and then 6 cos 6x. But guys, they always want us to put it in our simplest form. So what we are going to have to do is write this first and then write this later. So it's going to be 5e raised to the power 5x sine 6x plus 6 cos s, and then RE 5x. Guys, we are done. This is super, super, super easy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you gain a lot from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't be fearful, guys. This is super easy. When you first learning it might look very hard, but if you just keep like looking at the videos and watching different kind of videos to help you guys, or just like doing more of this equation frequently, you'll be so fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye.